Welcome to this tutorial on common issues with Google Analytics filters. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing website data. But applying filters can sometimes cause issues. In this guide, we will walk you through the most common problems and provide practical solutions. First, let us understand what Google Analytics filters are. Filters are used to modify or exclude data from your reports, helping you to focus on specific segments of your audience. However, incorrect filter setup can lead to inaccurate data, which may negatively impact your marketing decisions. One common issue is incorrect filter syntax. When creating a filter, you need to specify the correct syntax and format. For example, if you want to exclude all traffic from a specific IP address, you need to use the correct regular expression. A small mistake in the syntax can lead to the filter not working as expected. Another issue is filter order. Google Analytics applies filters in the order they are listed, so the order of your filters can significantly impact your data. For instance, if you have a filter that excludes a specific domain and another filter that includes all traffic, the order of these filters will determine which one takes precedence. Duplicate or conflicting filters are also a common problem. If you have multiple filters that overlap or contradict each other, it can lead to inconsistent data. To avoid this, it is essential to regularly review and maintain your filter list, removing any duplicates or unnecessary filters. In addition, excluding the wrong data can also be an issue. Be careful when setting up filters to exclude certain types of traffic, as you may inadvertently exclude valuable data. For example, excluding all traffic from a specific country may also exclude legitimate traffic from that region. To avoid these common issues, it is crucial to test and validate your filters regularly. Google Analytics provides a filter verification tool that allows you to test your filters before applying them to your data. This tool can help you identify any potential issues and ensure that your filters are working as expected. In conclusion, Google Analytics filters can be a powerful tool for analyzing your website data, but they require careful setup and maintenance. By understanding the common issues and following best practices, you can ensure that your filters are working correctly and providing you with accurate and valuable insights. Regularly review and test your filters, and do not hesitate to seek help if you are unsure about any aspect of the process.